Yeah, it is total whiteout conditions here in Algona. You can see sidewalk completely covered. Snow is just blowing all over the place. The wind is really limiting the visibility. If you pan the camera a little bit to the left here, photojournalist Dylan Kuhn behind the wheel today doing a great job for us. You can only see about a block and a half down the street before you totally lose sight of everything. You can see the roads are completely covered. That's what it looks like on every road here in town. I'm sure the two-lane county highways surrounding Algona are a lot worse, if not exactly what you're looking at here. Nothing you want to drive on. You can see not a lot of cars driving around. This place is an absolute ghost town right now, and that's a good sign. When the weather's like this, there's absolutely no need to be out and about unless it's an absolute emergency. So just stay home, folks. Can't stress that enough. Live in Algona, Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.